It's not looking like a Merry Christmas for the residents of Effortville in Maypen, Clarendon. However, the police are reporting that they have made significant headways in a recent flare-up of violence in that community. Two held as cops intensify search for men responsible for taking out five people. Hi again and welcome. This is lling 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune every time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is lling 7 TV. Let's talk. In my early upbringing, I've often heard the term being used to refer to Maypen. Maypen is no playpen. And I guess it's just living up to that reputation, as the police have been kept busy throughout the year, and it's one of those situations when we look on what is going on within the Effortville community. It's a very serious situation which we have seen a number of lives being lost in a 48-hour span. Now, the police are reporting that they have reached some success with the latest flare up of violence, and we're going to bring you up to date in regards to that right now, right here on lling 7 TV. So, the police in Maypen, Clarendon reported that they intensified the search in order to ascertain what was behind the latest flare up of violence. So, two men identified as persons of interest in the recent spate of flare-up of violence in the Effortville, Clarendon area are now in police custody. Police report that a total of five persons were shot and taken out, and three others injured over a 24-hour period between Wednesday and Thursday in the parish. Following the attack, one man identified as a person of interest turned himself into the police on Friday, December 18. Another person of interest was taken into custody on Saturday, December 19. Earlier this week, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson ordered an increased support to the Clarendon Police Division in order to quell the flare-up of violence in the Effortville community. Investigations have revealed that the violence is over a missing bike in the community. What began as a prank quickly escalated into a feud between high-powered gangs and two gang members. The police have intensified the search for the other persons responsible for the latest flare-up of violence, and the person of interest so far are J. Wisdom OC King Solomon, Christopher Douglas OC Chickenback, Chevon, otherwise called Muta, Javier Collins, otherwise called Jay, Devon Blair, otherwise called Avatar, Colleen Horton, otherwise called Lava. So the police in a release said that they believe that these men can assist them with their investigation and request that they report to the nearest police station by 12 p.m. on Friday, December 21. Investigation into this latest flare-up of violence in the Effortville community and surrounding areas in Maypen still continue. Meanwhile, the police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, toured areas of Clarendon along with the National Security Minister, Minister Horace Chung, on Saturday, December 19. The commissioner and the minister revealed that operations briefing from the senior commanders in the division as the constabulary continues its island-wide surge of activities. Commissioner Mr. General Anthony Addison visited the scene of the recent killings and gained a valuable first-hand knowledge of the policing terrain under investigation. Members of the security forces are maintaining a strong presence in the community just in order to prevent any reprisal in the shortest possible time. But as you know, the area of Effortville in Maypen, Clarendon is not a secret to violence and acts of criminality. I don't know if you can remember, some months ago there was a serious shooting incident in that community, which involves around three individuals that were Maypen top wanted men, and they were all taken out at a house over that community. All I can say, it is not looking good in that area, and the police are trying their very best to see how well they can bring back some level of normalcy to the community. But as the residents look on, they are living in fear, and they are just hoping that one day the violence will end and that they can just live a normal life in their community without have to be watching over their head each time that they traverse the terrain. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And I believe in this one here for now. Peace out and bless.